Are you looking to start your fitness journey but don't know where to begin? It all starts with a single step, an understanding that fitness is a journey, not a race. It's crucial to start slow, setting achievable goals that fuel your motivation. It's not just about physical exertion but also mental preparation. You need to commit to this journey, to your health and well-being. Remember, fitness isn't a destination, it's a way of life. Every journey begins with a single step, and your fitness journey starts now. The first step to a successful fitness journey is setting your fitness goals. Let's dive into how you can set SMART fitness goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For your goals to be specific, avoid vague terms like, "I want to get fit." Instead, try something like, "I want to be able to run 5 kilometers in 30 minutes." This goal is also measurable because you can track your progress. But remember, it must be achievable. Don't set a goal to run a marathon next month if you've never run before. It should also be relevant to your interests and lifestyle. If you hate running, perhaps a goal around strength training would be more suitable. Finally, your goal should be time-bound. This means you have a deadline to work towards. A deadline keeps you focused and helps maintain your motivation. Remember, your fitness goals are unique to you, so focus on what you want to achieve, not what others are doing. Now that you have your goals, it's time to choose the right exercise for you. It's a buffet out there, with a wide variety of exercises, each with its unique benefits. Let's start with cardio. This includes activities like running, cycling, or swimming. Cardio improves your heart health, burns calories, and can boost your mood. Next up, strength training. Think weightlifting or resistance exercises. This type of workout builds muscle mass, boosts your metabolism, and strengthens your bones. Finally, we have flexibility exercises such as yoga or Pilates. These exercises enhance your range of motion, improve posture, and reduce the risk of injuries. But remember, the best exercise is the one you enjoy the most. Maybe it's the tranquility of yoga, the adrenaline rush from a sprint, or the satisfaction of lifting heavy. Don't be afraid to mix it up and try different exercises until you find your match. Exercise should be enjoyable, so find what you love and stick with it. Exercise is only half the battle. Nutrition is key to a successful fitness journey. You see, when you're starting on this path, it's not just about how much you sweat, it's also about what you put on your plate. Think of your body as an engine, and food as its fuel. To run efficiently, you need the right kind of fuel. This is where the role of proteins, carbs, and fats come into play. Proteins are essential for muscle recovery and growth. Carbs provide the energy to power through your workouts, and fats are necessary for many body functions, including hormone production. A balanced diet, rich in these nutrients, can help you maximize your physical activities. But let's not forget about hydration. Water is vital in maintaining body temperature, transporting nutrients, and even lubricating your joints. So, be mindful of what you eat and drink. Remember, you can't out-train a bad diet. Good nutrition is the foundation of any fitness journey. Now that you have all the tools, it's time to start your fitness journey. There's no better time to embark on this adventure than today. Procrastination is the enemy of progress, and there's no room for it in your fitness journey. It's crucial to understand the significance of consistency in this journey. Just as Rome wasn't built in a day, neither will your fitness goals be achieved overnight. Consistency is the key to success. It's about showing up, day after day, even when it's hard, even when you don't feel like it. It's about making a commitment to yourself and honoring it no matter what. But as you strive for consistency, remember to be patient with yourself. Progress may be slow, and that's okay. Fitness is not a race, it's a lifelong journey. It's not about being perfect, it's about effort. And when you bring that effort every single day, that's where transformation happens. That's how change occurs. Remember, every workout, every healthy choice, every time you push yourself just a little bit further, it all adds up. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Starting a fitness journey may seem daunting, but remember, the hardest part is often taking the first step. Start your fitness journey today. And remember, you are capable of more than you think.